Hi guys, welcome back to Jesus the Living Hope channel, and today I have another video for all of you, and I'm gonna sing a song. And yeah, the title of my song is Waymaker. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you share this video to your friends, family, and loved ones. And also, if you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you will not miss when I upload my new videos. And yeah, I'm planning to upload another motivational videos in the next week. Maybe I'll upload it on Tuesday or Wednesday. So stay tuned and I'll see you there. Bye.